Hi, Zed from Zedster's Lab. We're on our way home, and just when we drove out of the farm's gate where we had the site inspection, I saw these little houses and I just said, stop, stop, stop. Oh, can you imagine? Look at the beautiful stonework, the beautiful little doors. Oh, let's go in. I don't know what I'm gonna find here, but I love going into these places and just look at this little window. Oh, gorgeous. That beautiful old piece of wood there. Oh, there I'm turning, you can see, there they made fire, the fireplace, the door. Oh, look at the walls. Oh, hyperventilating. Oh, can you imagine using this as an art studio? Put all my things in here. Oh, what a beautiful place. Look at this. Little papers filled with sand. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. You can hear the 4x4 and husband idling. But look at this. This is how the little house was built. Isn't it beautiful? Corrugated iron roof, but the little door. Oh, can you imagine the amount of fires? Look at that scene. Sure. Okay, I'm hyperventilating. Now you can see the outside. This is our Karoo area. I am just going. This is the little piece that is next to the house. Another little room. So most of these houses had their bathroom or the toilet outside. You know, the long drop? So, I think my grandma and them, they all grew up with a long drop. But look at this scene. Oh, wow. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. There's our 4x4 and hubby waiting. He's always waiting patiently. Look at that. These are the thorn bushes. That's very indigenous to this area. Look at this little house. Can you imagine when they were brand new? Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, the little flowers. Look. Oh, it is gorgeous. So that is why when we go to visit farms, I'm in heaven. Oh, look at the colors of the walls. Oh, gosh. Pinks and orange and blues. Oh, gosh. It looks as if here could have been a fire. I'm not sure. Oh, the little windows. This is the other room. Look how small the little door is. Very narrow, very, very narrow. That one is a little bit thicker, but oh my goodness. Well, I will have to look at the video afterwards because I cannot really enjoy the scenery and take a video. You see, I could have drove past, but I'm so glad I didn't, because then I would have missed this beauty. Husband, look, he's just sitting patiently. Ah. Look how gorgeous this little house is. The fireplace, the little windows. Oh man, can you imagine having this restored and living in a little house like this? And or make it a little weekend. Look, these, oh, they make the most beautiful flowers ever. It's not their time, but look at the river coming down. Usually this is very, very dry, but there were lots of rain, so it is summer here. It looks green because of all the rain. It even rained last night, but usually it is very dry. Another little house. Oh, I just love it. So I could have drove past, but stop. Look at this. Oh God, I'm not going in here. But it's kind of the same but different. Absolutely gorgeous. You see, I will have to stop on my way back, stop the video so that I can take photos, because oh, I need photos of all of this as well. This is a piece of wood thing. I don't know, but I'm sure I can use it for somewhere. I think that is the last little house. Oh, look. Oh, my goodness, look at the colors. Oh, this is breathtaking beautiful. Oh. Yo, this is beautiful. Sure. But this is to me always about the Karoo area, semi-desert. The colors, I mean, look at the blues and the shades of blue. So there were lots of, when the farms were really in full bloom, or call it what you want. Another piece of iron. Husband is coming closer. I'm not going to force myself in here, so I will have to get the photos out. But now I see things on the vines. Lots of rusty bits. I have to climb over now, it seems, because he's following me. Oh, okay. This is it. Love you lots. Thank you that I can share my journey with you. Sure. And after the rain, everything looks so clean. Look, there's the river. Gorgeous. Oh. Love you lots. Is it from Zetster's Lab?